Step 1, convert your data. You will convert the data to a table format. You don't get? Welcome to class. In today's video, we will be learning how to use slicers in Microsoft Excel. Not to worry, something you already know how to do. You just need me to put you through. Unless I forget, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do how to do that right now. Now let's get straight to business. You already know how to filter your data set using Microsoft Excel. Slicers is just a more recent functionality that helps your filtering come with much more clarity and interactivity. And as you stay tuned to this video, you will see how much sense it makes. Step 1, convert your data to a table. As in, you go convert the data to a table format. You don't get? Watch me.
Hello people, converting this data to a table is quite easy in all honesty, and you're going to learn it within split seconds. The first thing to do is actually to highlight the data you want to convert, right? So I'm going to go to your inserts, that's in the ribbon. So click on table. You see this table option here, so click on it. And you see this prompt come up. There's a line there that says my table has headers. So what it means is you want to tick it to say that this first row should be seen, should be considered as the header to this data set, because if you untick it, what it means is Excel will not consider it as an header. You just read it as a regular data, just like every other row that we have therein. So but you want to tick it, right, and click on OK, and by so doing you've converted this mere data set into a table.
Now that you've converted your data to a table, I'm sounding too serious. Now that you've converted the data to a table, the next action item for you is to insert the slicer. Watch how to do it.
In order to insert the slicer, all you need to do is to click anywhere in this table, go under insert. When you come here, you will see filter, click on the drop down, and then you see slicer. Just click on it. So this pops up, right?
Step 3, play around and choose your slicer field.
In order to play around and choose our slicer fields, let's start by checking. Just click on product, right, and click on OK. So you see all the items under product without repetition. So let's say we want to check for all the chargers. So these are all the details of all the chargers, right under product. So we check on headphones. These are all the headphones that we have. So you can see how interesting this kind of slicer that serves as a filter can be. If you click on keyboard, it brings out all the keyboards, right? Click on laptop, you can see how interesting and innovative this is. Click on mouse, phone, tablet, right? So we can actually go back to the list, can undo this, right, and undo what we've done already. You can see how interesting that is. So let's bring up the slicer again. Don't forget, you go back to insert, click on filter, click on slicer, right? So let's say in this case we want to check for all the regions, all the laptops that were sold in the northern region. Want to pick the details. All you need to do is to click on region and click on products, right? So under region you click on north, and under products you click on laptop. You can see everything. You can see how interesting this can be. Let's say you want to check all the keyboards that were sold in the west. Click on west here and come back here to click on there's no keyboard was sold in the west. Let's say you want to check for laptop sold in the west, it brings this up. You want to check for monitors sold in the west, click on this, it brings up this detail. You want to check for all the mouse sold in the west. How about the east? No mouse was sold in. You can see how interesting this can be and how fun it can make filtering your data be for you. I hope you've been able to learn something.
And this brings us to the end of this lecture on how to use slicers in Microsoft Excel. I know you've learned a lot, but what I want you to do right now is to like this video. If you're yet to do that, do well to share with a friend, right, and do well to support this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. My name remains Salako Emmanuel. You can also call me Salako the Analyst. Oh, John.